out this funny little Dom Camlock that we got from Maki. Check out that cute little key. Alright. Let's see if we can rake this baby open in hand. Kind of have a feeling we might, but we'll see. I think that's pretty close. We're almost there. There we go. All right, let's get you out of there. There we go. Now, I don't know if I really want to gut this thing. I don't even know if I can, because here's the thing. Check this out. We get the key in. And even turned, she does not want to come out. So I think in this hole here, the back, pretty sure there's some sort of retaining pin, but I don't think I have anything really thin enough to get all the way in there. I think we depress something in here. Maybe, and then it comes out. I think that's the idea. Because that's what it seems like. It seems like there should be a way to push something out from there. Maybe we depress just a single pin at the back. I don't know if that though. It's too thick. Let's get Jimmy 19th thou deep hook. Well, maybe the deep hook will get it. Yeah, but then all those pins are stuck there too. See, that's what I mean. It's weird. I feel like, and there's this funny pin here in the back. I feel like that comes out somehow too, because it kind of moves. I bet you there's like a special Dom tool or something that gets this open, but I sure would like to be able to gut it. It would be neat to see what's in here. But I don't know. If any of you guys know, drop a thing in the comments and we'll give her another go. Anyways, thanks.